Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to pay with PayPal without credit or debit card. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. There are two methods and there are two different ways actually where you can easily use this paying from PayPal. So the first one is just click on that wallet and it will take you right over here. Here you will see all the banks and obviously PayPal balance and even your credit card. But what is the reason that you are only paying through your bank account and PayPal? Why? Because you haven't set this as a favorite. So if you click on PayPal balance and on the right side you can see we have all the information according it. But at the bottom you will find preferred when paying online, set as favorite. You just need to click on this one, and once you do that you can see it's done. You can even change it later on, but right now it has been favored as you can see at the top. So whenever you are going to pay online, they will only deduct your money through your PayPal balance. They will not ask for any credit card or debit card. But even though if you're still struggling to pay, what happens that PayPal fees is very high. For example, if you're paying for something like $50 and you have only $50 on your PayPal balance, they will not transition that. Why? Because PayPal will charge a fee and sometimes fees are very high depending on your region. So this could be the reason also. But this is the best way to do it. Once you click on this one, preferred when paying online, PayPal will only use your PayPal balance to pay online. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to pay with PayPal without credit or debit card. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.